Here's Holden in his new chair. Do you like your chair? Do you like your new chair? You still have a little bit of trouble with your head, but you're getting much better. You're looking very handsome, despite the crazy hairdo, which we can't control. Look at you, little man. Look at you. Hey. Hey. Look over here. Look over here. Hi. Hi. How you doing? How you doing in your very own chair? How you doing in your very own chair? Is it pretty fun to sit up? Oh, really? That was a big noise for such a little man. Okay, you're over the chair? Okay, it's nap time, isn't it? But you did a very good job of sitting in your chair. Yeah, that's a big yawn. Time for naps. But you look very nice in your chair. And we'll sit in your chair again later.